Anger pounds the pavements, clutching jagged edges, a rainbow of melanin-induced pride, frustration, clenched fists and pursed lips shouting, we are not all fatherless. Regurgitating rejection, scapegoated for deprivation, pushed out by gentrification, shouting, we are not all terrorists. Your classrooms whitewash history, taught by a white mouth, viewed by a white lens, spoon-fed inferiority written by a white pen, shouting, we are not all ignorant. Bad behaviour is not synonymous with brown skin, so deal with your institutionalised racism.
Ray-Bans, Converses, picket in hand, we take to the streets. The unusually hot English sun pounds heavy on our skin. I can see the history being made as we march, but British society is blind to it. Slavery, Windrush, the same old narrative. Your children say, I want to know more. Where is our Black British history? The brother in Atlanta may be kinfolk, but our history differs. The cameraman with the long giraffe-like neck peers above the crowd as we continue to stomp the streets of Brixton. The old housewife at number 52 from Trinidad watches from her doorstep. She was a dressmaker and danced throughout the night in dance hall. Just like her door, one hand in, one hand out.